Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get diamond card Instacart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Earning the diamond card status on Instacart means you have reached the highest tier in their support rewards program. This tier comes with perks like priority access to batches, faster customer support and more. So what you need to do is understand the card star program. There are 3 tiers on the Instacart support that are gold, platinum and diamond. So the requirements are diamond card status typically requires maintaining 200 plus points in the reward system. Number 2 is on points through performance. You can earn points based on the following metrics like customer feedback, on-time delivery and order accuracy. Number 3 is complete more batches. Each batch you complete adds to your points. Focus on high value batches, peak times when batches are more frequent. Number 4 is maintain high metrics. To stay in or reach the diamond card tier, monitor the following key metrics like customer rating, cancellation rate and reliability. Stay consistent as it is the key to maintaining your status. Active participation and time management are the key. Next is take advantage of incentives like promotions and pick key, and then track your progress. By focusing on providing top-notch service, stay consistent and managing your metrics, you'll be well on your way to achieving diamond card status on Instacart. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.